Hi friends, hope everybody is doing well. So today I'm gonna show you this very compact uh, voltage data logger. It is 0 to 150 VDC data logger, so which I designed and built. As you can see, we have here this is a this is data logger. So in this data logger we have a memory card, so you can put a memory card, and this is a charging port as well, you see, as you can see, and this is start button, on and off power, you see. So it has an internal battery, so which can last for at least 2 to 3 days. And these are the terminal, so channel number 1, channel number 2. So this is the lid to secure this terminal. So by using this one, you can monitor any kind of DC voltage from 0 to 150 VDC. So I'll show you this one, how we're gonna use this one. So this is charging. So when you put it in, connect with the charging, so the light will be turned on. As you can see, let me show you. So this is a charging port. This is C-type charging. You see the light is on, as you can see. So when the battery is full, so this light will be on. So let's test this one, how we can use this one. Basically, it is very useful for troubleshooting purpose. So in case you need to monitor some input and outputs of power supply or any signal which is a DC signal. So right now I have connected different power supplies. As you can see, this one is variable power supply. This is connected to, as you can see, this channel number 1. This is connected to channel number 1. So this power supply, and the second power supply I have, second source of power is this one. It is connected to channel number 2, as you can see here. So let's test this one, and here we go. So basically here what we can do, as you can see, there's a, with this button we can select a log interval. So as you can see, it is a 1 millisecond log interval, 10 millisecond, 50, 100, 500 and 1 second. So let's start this one, and let's start with the millisecond. Yeah, so what you have to do, select this one, millisecond, and after that one you have to long press this one, then it will start logging here. As you can see, this one, there we go. So right now let's turn on the power supply for the channel number 1. So this is channel number 1 power supply. I turn it on. I put a mod up to let's suppose 0 volt. As you can see, channel number 0 volt. So if I increase the voltage from here, you're gonna see this one. Let me see if I can bring it on the same frame. There we go. You can see that it is monitoring and is logging the voltage. This power supply, I have it here. It is almost 26 voltage, and as you can see, this one channel number is reading also 26 voltage. Yeah, so let's turn on the other power supply, source of power supply. So this is another source of power supply. As you can see, it's right now 14 voltage, and you can see also channel number 2 is 14 voltage. If I increase or decrease the voltage, so it will, let me show you that one. If I change the voltage here, you will see the voltage will change as well here on channel number 2. You see channel number 2 is here. So basically these are voltage being logged in this memory card, as you can see. So you can record this because right now I put is a 8 GB card. So for this one you can monitor like a 1 week data from any power source which is 0 to 150 VDC. As you can see, I'm increasing this one, so voltage is being increased in the data logger. So you can see that one. If I decrease this one, channel number 2, you can see. If I decrease this one in the channel number 1, the voltage, you will see the voltage decreasing, and all these voltage are being logged into the memory card. So what you have to do after that one, so you just press stop if you want to stop logging, and it will use the log number log10, and it is saved in this memory card. So what we have to do after that one, so we have to remove this memory card. Here we go. You just press this one. Okay, remove this memory card. Yeah, and we can put it in a laptop. Yeah, you can see I put this memory card in the card reader. So I'm gonna put it inside this one, the laptop. Just connect the laptop, and all data is being saved in the log file. So you see, that was the latest laptop, the log, but you can adjust the time, no problem. This one, So this is the last log we just did now, tested right now. I'll show you that how we're gonna read the values. Here we can see. So right now, if you can see, we can adjust. It is a per millisecond data. As you can see, as you remember, we started, and after that, we start changing the voltage also. So all the data is being logged here, you see. Here we go. You can see channel number 1, channel number 2. So all the voltage recording are here. You can record like with 8 GB, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So this is channel number 1 voltage, this is channel number 2 voltage, this is the date, this is the time. So this is the PC which I have designed for this data logger, as you can see. So if you want to see in a 3D form, I can show you this one also. You see that one. This is basically PCB which I designed for this data logger, and I'll show you the 3D case which I designed for this data logger. So as you can see, this is the one which I designed, the case. You see, this is the case which I designed, and I printed with the 3D printer. So the final form is with you, as you can see this one. So please let me know if you need any information regarding this one, and if you need any help, I can help you regarding